In this video, we will discuss about difference between CPU and RAM. CPU is an abbreviation of Central Processing Unit. RAM is an abbreviation of Random Access Memory. CPU is the main component of a computer system that is responsible for executing instructions. The RAM is the main memory of a computer system. The CPU determines how fast the system is. The RAM determines how much data can be stored. The idle usage of CPU is from 0.8% to 10%. The idle usage of RAM is about 0.5%. The CPU has cores, and the more cores it has, the better it performs. RAM has an impact on performance in terms of memory, processing speed, and bus speed, among other things. CPU can only be replaced. RAM can frequently be increased. The CPU is the speed of launching a program. RAM is a number of programs running at a time. The CPU processes memory to execute the program. RAM stores memory programs that are currently running.